Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily, and in today's video I will be sharing a simple card using some new products from Syberia design. Today is release day from Syberia, so go check out their shop and you can find all of the release. I will also in the end of this video have a close-up of all the products that will be available today. And if you like to hop along in it, there is also a a blog hop going on, and then there will be an Instagram hop as well as an video hop in the upcoming days. But today it's a blog hop, and I will have a link down below for that one as well. So I started off by cutting out all of the flowers in different colors from the Whimsy Bloom Bouquet die set, and you can see I'm just arranging them here on top of my green cardstock, and I'm using my pickup tool to have it go a little bit smoother. I created the background using my blending brushes from Trinity together with my inks from Concord and Night, and I'm using pink, orange and yellow. And I know that this isn't that much of a fall color, but it's a color combination that I very much enjoy, and I really needed that color combination for my projects today. It really brought me a lot of joy to use it, and I extended this a little further down on top of my card base here. And when I'm happy with how everything looks, I will actually do another technique on top of this, and yeah, I will use my Dazzling Fireworks cover plate die. This is an older one from Syberia, and I'm using it with my machine here, and I did some dry embossing. I just spritzed it with some water to the back so I didn't react my inks, and then I cut it down slightly. I put some dimension on the back of all of my flowers, and then I will raise this up on top of my ink blended background. So you can see I fiddled around with the adhesive to all of those tiny flowers, so I really will have a lot of dimension with them, and I will have them hanging down from the top of my panel so you can see how it looks. And for my sentiment, I use a stamp from the Grateful for You stamp set. This also have coordinating dies, so I will use the companion to this one, and I like to stamp a couple of them when I am creating, just to get some variation if one doesn't stamp perfectly. So after I heat emboss it with white, I cut it out with the coordinating dies, and now I will fiddle around with the placement until I'm happy with it. When I'm happy with it, I will go in with some sequins, and I'm using sequins from Trinity Stamps, and they are just clear sequins, and this pretty much finish off our card. I will now leave you with a close-up of the entire release, and don't forget to check out the blog hop. I will have links down below for that one. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be sharing the latest release from Syberia design, and I'm excited to have the whole release here and to share it with you. So let's get into it. First off, we have this Believe in Yourself hot foiling plate and coordinating dies, and this is how it will look. Sorry about the glare. I have my sort of shutters open because I want to take care of that little bit of daylight that I have here in Sweden right now. And then I have Give Thanks hot foiling plate and die set, and that is how it will look when it's all foiled and cut out. Then we have another hot foiling plate. This is the Tiny Autumn Leaves, and this is how it will look. So you can see one row is like the outline and one is the solid, so that will be super stunning to have as a background. And then we have some standalone dies. This is the Urban Flower die, and this is really fun because it will actually cut out sort of the flower petals, but will be attached in the middle. So that will be really fun to play with. Can't wait to see what that will look like. And then we have this is the Whimsy Bloom Bouquet, and you can create all of these beautiful flowers, and you can see how these will layer together. You have some leaves and a bow. So there's the bow and there is the layering for the flowers. Can't wait to play with that one. And then we have this bloom die, very beautiful. And then we have some autumn leaves. So you can see it's 3 different leaves with sort of detail layer and a solid layer. Also really nice. And then we have some stamps. So this first one is the Smile More. And you have these cute critters that is you can play and build scenes around. Resting isn't lazy. Smile more, worry less. It's okay to rest and reshare when things get too much. And hugs. It's okay to recharge when things get too much. Okay, so that is the sentiment. Yeah, me and my sentiments. It's quite hard to read actually, but it was really easy to read when it was stamped out. Coordinating dies that you can pick up separate. And then we have Stay Cozy. So this is really big, stunning image with a fox and a girl. She's like listening to music, having a nice time. Stay cozy, warm wishes, time out, tune out the world, tune into peace. Let the music heal your soul. And this is how it can look when you color it in. So beautiful. And then we have another. This is sort of 3 products that coordinates. Grateful for you. This stunning, beautiful flower image. Love sets like this that has the reversed sentiment. So it says thank you. And then we have a bunch of other sentiments. Grateful for you, love you, thank you is the big ones here. You can see here how you could color this in. Coordinating dies to cut everything out. They are also cut out so you don't have to sort of separate them. And then we have the stencil to color everything in super fast. And the last product in this release is the Garden of Blooms, and it cuts out this and it's a stencil set. So I think there is how many stencils? It doesn't say, but I can see by just looking at it that it is a ton. Maybe it's like 5 or 6 stencils in this pack. So that is really nice. I will actually open this to count it so you can see for yourself how many stencils this contains. By the way, today I believe it's a video hop to celebrate the latest release, and you can see here on the inside you have the guide for all of your layers, and there is 7 layers for this. And it also has the etchings. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but how you can sort of layer this to know that you're always in place. So that is nice. So that was the entire release from Syberia. I hope you liked it and got inspired by seeing all of the products. And as I said, there will be tons of hops to give you even more inspiration with the new release. And I will be back soon. Bye!